This 2018 Keystone Avalanche 396BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, LP detector, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, external shower, oven, microwave, spare tire kit, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Avalanche 396BH is 14,020 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.